The spectacle that occurs when famous people argue in a courtroom is just as much a part of the public domain as their work on the stage and in the movies. The court battle that has been going on between YouTuber Tasha K and the legendary comedian Kevin Hart has captivated people. This is not only due to the fact that it is filled with star power, but also because it throws light on the complexities of legal battles in the modern digital era. In this epic battle, it is not simply a matter of determining who is right or wrong. Rather, it is an illuminating investigation into the maneuvers of strategy, the reputations of the public, and the fierce defense of personal life in the face of the scrutiny of the law. Put yourself in a comfortable position, for we are about to delve deeply into the specifics of a lawsuit that is just as captivating as the plot of any blockbuster movie. Do not let go. Tasha K has recently emerged as the bearer of a David versus Goliath story, which is significant in a world where celebrity status frequently plays a significant role in the outcome of legal challenges. Tasha K was successful in her case because the courts did not grant Kevin Hart's petitions, which included a request for a restraining order. Kevin Hart's efforts were also unsuccessful. It would be an understatement to say that this case has been quiet. During the time that Hart continued with his legal action, Tasha K had to balance her own courtroom strategies in the midst of a personal bankruptcy case. This revealed the levels of litigation as well as the human costs associated with it. Although it would be an understatement to claim that this is only about a dispute, it also encompasses the struggle for control of the narrative, the arduous fight against the perception of vindictiveness, and the tenacity of an underdog in the judicial ring. The reasons that Kevin Hart is so adamant about taking legal action against Tasha K are not quite clear, but they do imply that he has a personal stake in the outcome of the situation. What compels a man of his stature to continue this fight, despite the fact that Tasha K is on the verge of filing for bankruptcy? As we delve deeper, we see that he may have the resolve to protect his reputation from what he considers to be unfair expansions of the truth. In light of the fact that extortion allegations constitute a significant part of the puzzle, Hart's actions in the courtroom are not only strategic, but also telling. They shed light on the difficult balance that must be maintained between protecting one's personal life and appearing in public. When it comes to navigating celebrity conflicts, which have both reputations and assets at stake, the complexity of such legal proceedings highlights the painstaking attention to detail that is required. Spectators and people who are interested in the law are both captivated by the various outcomes that could occur in the legal drama that is currently taking place between Tasha K and Kevin Hart. Is it possible that there may be monetary consequences or even countersuits for harassment, defamation, and legal fees? Is it possible that the digital trail could have an impact on the severity of the case? What about the assistant who is caught up in this legal web? The legal battlefield is akin to a high-stakes game of chess, where public figures like Hart and Tasha K are required to consider every possible consequence. With every strategic move comes a counter-move. This clash will establish new standards in the realm of digital age legalities, shedding light on the enormous difficulty of managing public lawsuits in an era in which one's personal life is constantly in the spotlight. It is important to keep a close eye on this area since the repercussions of this case will be felt well beyond the geographical boundaries of the courtroom.